Steve, we got the MF400 cell here that's now available from ETG. In fact, this one's coming to the UK, isn't it? Why are you getting involved in this sort of automation?
Well, obviously, as you're aware, with ETG, we're a very project-driven company. The projects that we're getting involved in requires this level of equipment.
And you're now in key accounts, so you get heavily involved in projects like this. Where would you sell a machine or a solution like this in the UK?
This solution is obviously targeted at the more high production. So basically, this gives the customer full lights out running. Within the key accounts, our customers that's what it's driven by is full projects and a full turnkey solution.
So talk us through this solution really. What have we got? We've got a machine tool, a Quaser machine tool, and a 40 pallet FMS system, correct?
Yeah, correct. So this product here is originated from the horizontal version that we have. So basically, we've got a full 5-axis machine, which is our MF range, and then on the side of it we have a full MFS pallet pull system.
And when you start going up to 30, 40 pallets as you've got here, one of the things that I always think is, firstly, you've got to feed the machine. So, and I'm sure you wouldn't buy it unless you could. Yeah. But secondly, what about tool storage? You need more tools if you're doing 40 jobs. Yeah,
so the ethos behind the MF itself is all fully spec'd. So it's got 120 tools, so it's a dual 60 tool change, spindle power and RPM to go with it. Then obviously, like we said, the 40 pallets, which gives it complete flexibility.
What we often see with automation as well is companies getting machine tools and then adding third-party automation solutions. Is this a full Quaser product from ETG?
Yeah, full Quaser. Obviously the machine and the control itself is a Siemens control on this cell that we're bringing in. The software behind the pallet pull system is driven by Quaser itself.
So you have two controls on this machine. You have a control for the machine and then a control for the FMS.
That's correct. So the FMS control is more like a feeder. So basically the guys would come in there, they'd put in the part numbers, the products, and then basically that tells the machine what to do.
And is there a big market for this, Steve, in the UK? I mean, like we've said already, you're in key accounts, you're working on projects like this. You know, will it be easy to find a home for this machine when it comes to ETG?
Yeah, we've got people knocking at the door wanting it. I mean, within key accounts, that is what we've had to do, is take big steps, taking these machines into the UK.
And it does seem like quite a big footprint as well, though. But I suppose if you've got 40 pallets, you've got a lot of product to make.
Yeah, exactly. It is a large footprint machine, but again, it's taken from the horizontal version. So yeah, it gives the customer that full capability.
And what this isn't an FMS that you can just add to any Quaser. The whole thing is a completely integrated cell. So if you had a Quaser machine already, you couldn't just bolt this on, could you?
No. So we have looked and experimented with taking the pallet pull system and adding it to a standard current 5-axis. But it'd be easier for us to take the existing 5-axis and replace it with a full cell.